If you're learning AI on your own, I'm going to give you the exact resources used in the industry. Whenever there is a new technology, the experts in the field do not go and join a course to get updated. Rather, they know certain websites wherein they can find the latest knowledge which they can get upskilled with. I'm going to share such resources with you today. These are not commonly known to everybody, even within the AI industry, except some of the AI experts.
I'm Shravanti. Welcome back to Dear Mind. My goal here is to help you understand complex topics in simple terms and bring clarity to your mind. By the end of this video, you will have clarity on the topics, exact resources, and the time required to finish each topic. And a quick disclaimer, everything discussed here reflects my own research and opinions and not of any present or past employer.
I will provide you one best resource for each topic in your AI learning roadmap.
Alright, let's get started. To learn AI, there are broadly 7 topics: coding language, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, generative AI, and agentic AI. If you want to get a basic understanding of what these topics are about, I've already made a video. I'll share the link in the description box. You can check it out. The coding language of choice for AI is Python, and the resource that I'm recommending for you is W3 Schools. There are many more resources like Geek for Geeks or HackerRank, but W3 Schools is my favorite. I'll show you. So click on this Python tutorial. So on the left, you will see how you will take input, how you will take output, how you will handle the various data types. And there is a lot of structure in this course. For example, if you take Python strings, there is an intro about strings, there is an example, and there is also exercises for you per topic. So basically, I like W3 Schools for its organized structure, ease of learning. So make use of this platform for coding. Next is machine learning. Let's go to YouTube and let's type machine learning specialization by Andrew Ng. Anyone and everyone in AI field will know Andrew Ng. He is a globally recognized pioneer in AI. So this is the course, the first one that is showing up here, right? This one. This course, if you see, is available on Coursera also, where it is a paid course. But here in YouTube, it is not. The difference is in Coursera, at the end of each module, there will be a test. And also, in the end, they will provide a certificate. That is what is missing in YouTube. Otherwise, knowledge wise, it's all the same. So, if you're particular about certification, do the same course in Coursera. Else, if it's just for knowledge purpose, then YouTube is good. The next module is deep learning, for which let's get into Coursera. In here, just type neural networks and deep learning. This is the course. Deep learning is all about neural networks and they're covering it very well. And this course is again by Andrew Ng. In addition to this, I want to give you a reference material for deep learning, which is available on YouTube. The course is by Andrej Karpathy. It is a Zero to Hero series on YouTube. It is this one. Please use this as an additional reference material if you find time, just for deep learning. Andrej Karpathy is a prominent AI researcher known for leading AI at Tesla. He is also a founding member of OpenAI. He is highly regarded for deep learning actually. So check out his videos regularly. Next, let's move on to natural language processing. For natural language processing, there is an excellent resource in Hugging Face. Let's go to Chrome and type the Hugging Face NLP course. So this course, if you see, it's been there for a while, but they have renamed the course recently. Okay, the NLP course is now called the LLM course, which is good for you because as you do this course, you're going to cover both NLP as well as LLM in one. So this is great. Let's just get into this. So this is the course that you will be taking for NLP, LLM, for both. Next, let's move on to computer vision. There is this course in Udacity, which has a very good computer vision course, which is recommended by CV experts. Intro to computer vision. This is the course. But this is a paid course, so I'm going to recommend one more reference for you for CV. The additional course is on YouTube. And this course is also by Stanford. So let's look at Stanford University Computer Vision. So this is the series. The code is right, CS231N. If you open this, you can see a series of lectures on computer vision. This is basically free. Of course, like I said earlier, there will be no tests and no certification either. One more important thing I want to say about this course is they're starting with deep learning for computer vision. Since you would have already studied deep learning, that could be a repeat portion for you. So when you're studying, you have to directly go, skim some parts and go to the computer vision parts of these lectures. All right, now let's move on to generative AI. For generative AI, we're going to get into one excellent portal, which is called deeplearning.ai. In there, we will look for retrieval augmented generation topic. Okay, this is the course on RAG. This is an essential course for generative AI. Okay, so you can do this one. This is one of my favorite topics. I can actually explain RAG in just 30 minutes max, but I'll make a separate video. Maybe later on you can check it out. For now, if you want a proper course, you can check this one. Now let's go to the last and final topic, Agentic AI. This course is again available in deeplearning.ai. Let's go to Agentic AI course in deeplearning.ai. Agentic AI course, yes. So this is the course, again by Andrew NG. This is just 5 hours in duration. Must be easy to complete. At this stage, you are an advanced learner, remember that. So that's it. These are all your resources, but you also have to keep time in mind. So let's see how much time you can take for completing each module as per this syllabus. Python, you shouldn't take more than a month. For ML, you should be able to complete it within 3 weeks, considering you're studying 2 hours per day regularly, consistently. And then for deep learning, to learn with proper understanding, you can take a maximum of 10 days. And then for NLP, you can take about 3 weeks. Computer vision again will take 3 weeks. For the RAG concept that we saw in generative AI, you should take only 3 days max. And then for agentic AI, the last course, you can take maximum 1 week. And here, let me remind you, these are all going to be more of a theoretical understanding of the concepts. You have to put some more additional time in practicals as well. These courses are definitely going to give you some level of practical experience, but what I'm talking about is project level experience, right? Which we'll talk about in a separate video later on. But for now, you're good to get started. I'd just say don't overthink, just start.
If you got value out of this video and clarity to your mind, I'd love it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you from Dear Mind.